Welcome to the FA Auto Reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most surprising, affordable, and unique campers on the market, the $9,800 Tricycle RV Camper. Yes, you heard that right. An RV camper built on a three-wheeled frame, all for under $10,000. Buckle up, cause this is going to be a wild ride. At first glance, the Tricycle RV might seem like a novelty. But once you take a closer look, you'll realize it's much more than just a quirky build. Designed with minimalism, utility, and budget-conscious adventurers in mind. This little machine is built to take you off-grid, even if you're new to RV life or working with a tight budget. Let's start with the exterior. The Tricycle platform is built on a heavy-duty cargo trike frame, featuring a reinforced steel chassis and an extended rear axle for stability. The camper pod is lightweight and aerodynamic, made from insulated fiberglass panels that help keep it cool in summer and warm in winter. It's compact enough to fit into tight urban spaces, yet roomy enough to sleep one or two people comfortably. There's even a small pop-up roof for added ventilation and headroom. Powering this mini RV is an efficient 1500 electric hub motor, which means this thing is fully electric and emission-free. It can cruise at around 25 miles per hour and has a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge. Depending on terrain and load, it's perfect for campgrounds, local adventures, or even as a stealth camper for city dwellers. Now, step inside and you'll be surprised at how much utility they've packed into such a small space. You get a convertible bench that doubles as a bed, a fold-out table for working or eating, and clever storage compartments built into the walls and under the flooring. Some models even come with a small sink and solar-powered fan for ventilation. And with a 100 West rooftop solar panel charging a 12 volts battery system, you've got enough juice to power your lights, fan, and even charge your phone or laptop. The rear of the camper has a small hatchback-style door, giving you easy access to the storage area, or even turning it into an open-air kitchen with a portable stove. It's not luxury living, but for weekend warriors, students, solo travelers, or off-grid enthusiasts, it offers a surprising level of comfort and practicality. So, who's this Trike RV really for? If you're someone who loves micro-camping, boondocking, or van life but doesn't have the budget for a $70,000 Sprinter van, this is a serious alternative. For under $10,000, you're getting a fully functional camper that's lightweight, electric, and easy to maneuver. Plus, with its low maintenance and insurance costs, it's one of the most accessible entry points into the RV lifestyle today. Would we recommend it? Absolutely, with a few caveats. You're not going to be blazing down the highway or towing trailers. But for local exploration and minimalist travel, it offers serious value. And let's be honest, pulling up to a campsite in a Tricycle camper is a guaranteed conversation starter. That wraps up our look at the $9,800 Tricycle RV Camper. If you're into unique, budget-friendly motorhomes and campers like this one, don't forget to subscribe to FA Auto Reviews, like this video, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.